Okay, we are here today to give you a technique on making sure that the pipe goes inside of a fitting and make sure that you're square and home all the way. So if you look at when we go inside of a pipe, we want to make sure that we are all the way back along this whole edge, all the way down, and make sure that the pipe is square completely against that. The technique that I use to do this, if you look, when I push this into that home, I can always see about 3 inches out. If you look along the side of it, it's just past the 3-inch mark. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna put my gasket and give myself a witness line. We're gonna go around the whole pipe and make sure we're out about 3 inches. And once we go around all the way, we're gonna mark it with a marker. We're gonna make sure we mark all the way around the pipe so that we can make sure that when we push this pipe home, it's square into that fitting. So now that we have our fitting inside, or our pipe inside of the fitting, if you look at how this is, that is not squared in. We have a really big gap on the bottom and a really small gap on the top. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move our pipe around and make sure it goes into this thing square. Now, as you can see, we have about the same amount of gap on the bottom as we do on our line. That means that our pipe is inside that fitting square. Now, one final double check that I do, once I get my gasket in, I look at my line again, and we're pretty close to being even all the way around. So I like it. Now we're gonna bolt it up.